Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create professional presentations quickly using Canva? Canva Mobile provides many ready-made presentation templates that you can customize with your own text and content. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit presentation templates in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's get started. First, open Canva on your device. From the Canva home screen, tap Create, then select Presentation. Canva will show different presentation templates that you can choose from. Select the template you want to use. The presentation editor will open. If you want to apply the same style to all pages, tap Apply All Pages. Next, select the text you want to change. Edit the text based on your needs. Once you are finished, tap the check icon to save your changes. To save your presentation, tap the upload icon. You can choose share or download. For this example, I'll select download. The download screen will appear. You can choose a file type and quality setting or leave the default settings as they are. Then tap download. Canva will start processing your presentation. And that's how to edit presentation templates in Canva Mobile on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.